The Member of Parliament for Ho Central, Benjamin Komlak-Bodo, has called for the expansion of major drains in the Ho municipality to avert the recurrence of flooding. His call follows the devastating flood that caused havoc in the regional capital following torrential rainfall that lasted for about 2 hours on Saturday.
The affected persons from Saturday's devastating flood in the municipality are still counting their losses. As of today, a few of them are still seen trying to salvage a few items they could from the disaster. Though no death or injuries to persons were recorded on Saturday, a lot of damage was done to goods and properties, running into thousands of Ghana cedis.
Tamili doba mima gagagara chia mamuli demi gagara mu taka amarena bia yava buji bia gagara chia ma o echa ko gbado plan la o oba gbado mo fo kata plan la ye kati no mo fo plan fa echa kata ko ju kati de ka o jam 10.5 da o mo fo plan fa ma ju
ya comenzará disbe o lemu tata que o ese posible cercara e che so promo la prima gogo kaka ma rush ma tu kitchen e pleto bitela ma tu dar me sito la tele la torre moto kaka che chapeti o afi to trova tele ta no ba ngo o le prache abi che ten la tele ci ka gara foma e la prima vite di wa ngo o le fumara udu ja ko plena ple o le.
Meanwhile, after touring the affected areas on Monday, Member of Parliament for Ho, Benjamin Komlak-Bodo, says major work on the city's drainage system is required to avert such disasters.
This is caused by the narrow and a very small drainage system that we have. People will normally not want to behave properly, where they feel that they have to forfeit some portion of their personal property, like land. They are not thinking of the greater benefit to the community as a whole. So they have put up their houses just by the banks or even in waterways. But the assembly should be strict in enforcing the bylaws. If you have failed to obtain permit as you construct, you should be taken to task.
The scenes from the affected areas are terrible and devastating, but the rains are not over yet. So there is that sentiment among residents that there could be a bigger catastrophe in the offing if nothing is done to ensure free flow of water through the drains here within the municipality. From the regional capital Ho, and for GH1 News, my name is Faisal Abdul Idrisu.